Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and in today's video we've got a quick little job that can really do your car wonders. We're going to be cleaning the manifold pressure sensor, the inlet manifold pressure sensor. So it's literally a 5-minute job, really easy, and like I said, it will really transform your car. Now, this being the D5, it gets clogged up with diesel fumes and soot and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, all you need to do is just take it off and clean it. And if we just remove our engine cover, it gives us access to it like so, and it is literally this thing here. So all we need to do is we need to unplug it, and then use a Torx 30 on this bolt here. So I'm just going to do that. Be interesting to see how clogged up this is, because first time I've ever done it. It'll be interesting to see if anyone's ever done it before on this car. But yeah, I'll put you guys down and then we'll take a look at how this looks. Okay then, so we'll just undo this screw. This is a Torx 30 for anyone who's wondering. Make sure I turn it the right way. And once we've done this, it's literally held in with a little rubber grommet. There we go, just like that. So we'll put that on our bonnet here. I'm just going to give it a wiggle and a pull, maybe even a twist. Like I said, it'll be very interesting to see what sort of state this is in. And there we go. As you can see, it's pretty gunged up with some grim stuff. So I'm going to take this and clean it. You can use brake cleaner, you can use all sorts of things. We'll get it so it focuses a bit better. And yeah, you just want to clean this out. And basically what this is doing is measuring the manifold inlet pressure, which dictates how much boost you get and everything like that. So you might find that this will improve the responsivity of your car, and yeah, just hopefully keep the car running a bit longer as well, keeping it nice and clean, keeping the car well maintained. You can see down in this hole, it's all a bit grim in there. So we'll give that a look. You don't need to replace this little green rubber grommet. These are fairly durable, so we don't need to change that. But yeah, I'll go and clean that with some brake fluid and some kitchen roll, and I'll come back to you guys in a second. Okay then guys, so you join me at the wheelie bin workstation. We've just used some brake cleaner and some kitchen roll, and as you can see, it is looking much nicer. So we're going to install that now back into the car and see if it makes any difference whatsoever. Be interesting to see. I'll set you down so you've got a nice stable picture. So to reinstall it is pretty much the reverse of what we've done. I'm just actually going to grab some kitchen roll. Yeah, we're just going to clear this off. And now it's literally, like I said, a reverse of what you did before. Make sure the holes line up. Push it in, click it in nicely, and then all we need to do now is stick our screw back in, starting off by hand, and then finish it off with the Torx. Make sure we flick it onto going the right way. There we go. Final step is now to plug our cables back in so the car can read the sensor, and there we are. Simple as that. Whole job has taken me probably less than 3 minutes. So there you are guys, just a quick little video on something you can do if you've got a spare 5 minutes. Good thing to do, keeps your car running nicely, and yeah, I'll let you know in a future video if we have any improvement or anything. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you've done this or if you've seen this. This is from a YouTuber called Volvo Sweden, so check out his channel for any other tips. He mainly does the petrol stuff, which is why I shared this on this channel for those of you who aren't subscribed. But yeah, I'll see you next one. Cheers.